OMG Morgan, and today I have a wig review for you. As you can see, my hair is in braids, so that means I'm about to show you a wig. So this wig comes from MyFirstWig, and I've done plenty of reviews on MyFirstWigs, and I love their hair. Like, their wigs are bomb.com. So inside it comes, the hair comes in this, put this down. The hair comes in this packaging right here. Y'all are probably familiar with that, and it comes with a net on it. My hair is sitting over there. As you can see, it's not in here. So it comes with the little pink little wig holder, which I love, and it also comes with this hair. And also inside of this packaging came a pick. I have not seen one of these in forever. It does have the fist on it still, so yeah. So it has a pick, and it comes with wig caps, which I'm not gonna really use, and the wig information. So this is MFC005-G. It's silky, 14 inches, natural color, glueless cap, and the lace is light brown. So yeah, so this wig that I'm about to show you, I wore it the other day, and I put it on my Snapchat and Instagram. But this is the wig right here, and it is a loose curly wig, and I really love this wig because it has bangs. So that means it's very, very like low maintenance. You don't have to worry about blending, you know, your lace in or gluing your lace down or doing anything like that. So that's really good about this wig. So I'm going to put it on and show you guys. And also inside there are combs. So there's a comb on the sides and in the back. So there's 3 combs, and it is all lace over here. So let's put it on. Okay, so when you put it on, you have to like kind of get it situated a little bit. When I did get this wig, I did wash it first because since it was in the packaging, the curls were kind of like really flat and not as curly as I would like. So you have to get it situated, and then after that you're pretty much good to go. Okay, so this is what my wig looks like after it's all situated. I'm gonna go ahead and go to this piece right here. So I feel like this piece is just like chilling over here. So I'm just gonna take my razor comb and razor it off. Get a little bit shorter, there we go. Just so it kind of blends in. And yesterday when I did wear it, I did razor off some of the pieces at the bottom because there were a couple pieces that looked longer on one side than the other side, but I love this thing right here. So when I put this on yesterday, my mom came over and asked her if she liked it, and she said she did. So I'm definitely going to have to get used to this wig because I never had a wig, a curly wig with bangs on it. So it's kind of different. And these bangs you kind of have to play with. This wig style does come with bangs, and it also comes without bangs, so you can pick which one that you like. I picked the one with bangs just because I wanted a like low maintenance hairstyle I can just throw on and not worry about anything going on underneath. But you're gonna have to make the bangs yours, so you might have to cut them and make them shorter because the lace is right here. So I'm gonna show y'all the lace. The lace is right here. So if I were to put it like where it's supposed to be, my bangs, oh gosh, my bangs would be right here, like, and I can't really see. So I'm gonna have to trim them. So that's why I just went ahead and kind of like moved the wig back so I could actually see. And I did cut like little pieces because they were flying in my eyes. So you have to like perfect this wig and you have to work with it, but after you work with it and get it to how you like, it will come out very cute and you'll probably love it. Also, something that really helped me with this wig was I washed it, I just conditioned it, and then I put it on my mannequin head when it was wet, and I sprayed some leave-in conditioner with it and used my dimming brush to define the curls on it. and I let it air dry for a little bit, and then I diffused it with my blow dryer. So that's how I got my curls a little more curly, because when I first got it, like I said, it was not the curls that I was expecting. They were looser, so this hair is loose curly, so you're gonna have to use your diffuser and dimming brush if you want to define those curls. But it also looked very nice, like in its loose curl state, and it had like a little wet look going on. But y'all know I love big hair, so I wanted it to be big and curly. And also the bangs, something I'm working with the bangs is that they kind of stick up a little bit, so I'm probably gonna have to like cut them in a way so they don't stick up all the way. Let me show you guys on the side what I'm talking about. So they kind of come up a little bit, but or maybe it's just me, but I'm going to have to work with that to fix it. Overall, like, I'm loving this wig. I saw this wig on Victoria Logan. She has a channel on YouTube. I'll link her video with this hair below, but I loved her hair with it. I thought it was super duper cute, so I definitely want to try it, especially for the colder months coming up since it is November. Yeah, I just feel like this will be perfect and easy to do and maintain throughout those cold months. So I'll leave all the information to this hair below. If you guys like it, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.